In the bustling world of chemical manufacturing, the chlor-alkali industry stands as a pillar of innovation and efficiency. Here, a hidden resource is reshaping the landscape: byproduct hydrogen. As chlor-alkali plants produce essential chemicals like chlorine and caustic soda, they also generate hydrogen as a byproduct. Traditionally, this hydrogen is often vented or flared, resulting in wasted potential and environmental concerns. But what if we could harness this hydrogen efficiently? Forward-thinking companies are now capturing this byproduct hydrogen, unlocking its potential to fuel new advancements in the industry. One notable use is in the production of ammonia, a crucial ingredient for fertilizers that support global agriculture. By integrating advanced ammonia production technology, KAPSOM transforms hydrogen into a vital component for synthesizing solid fertilizers. The result? Fertilizers that enrich the soil, boost crop yields, and contribute to global food security, all while reducing the carbon footprint of industrial operations. By utilizing byproduct hydrogen from the chlor-alkali industry, we are turning a potential waste product into a valuable resource.